Welcome back, guys. Today I got a box from LC Boards. I'm gonna unbox it, give my impressions, and whenever I first saw this on LC Boards Instagram, link below, I looked out and I was able to purchase one. This is not a sponsored video, so let's get into it.
This marble bench from LC Boards is tight, yo. I say go and buy one, because you will definitely want to use this to fingerboard on. What are you waiting for? Hey, just kidding, haha. Please subscribe so I can do more videos like this.
Alright, let's put this little grip tape on the feet. It was way too windy outside. I was going to do it in the trunk. But let's cut a strip and then cut that in half. Then do another strip. Alright, then cut that in half. Cool. Now on every foot, we can just put the felt on there. Or grip tape, whatever this stuff is. I think it's just grip tape. That's nice. One corner. Just like that. We're ready to roll. Alright, we made it to spot one. Let's see if we don't get kicked out here or if it's too windy. But we're against this, so I think we should be chill. Alright, I don't know how windy this video is, but overall, it's really solid. I like it a lot. Yeah, this is one of the best obstacles that I have so far. It's made of marble, slides really good. Everything about it, I like it. And we got that drink. Alright guys, I'll see y'all on the next one.